Ladies and gents, we're about to do some work. We are here. Yeah. This is what we're doing, man. Doing work, like I done said. Doing work. Work. This is the bad boy that we're gonna be doing work on, man. So this bad boy. All right, ladies and gents, you see that? I think that is from this falling off. I'm not gonna pay $350 from Polaris Motorsports to get a brand new one. So, man, God bless the soul. I found this piece of trash on the side of the road a couple weeks ago, and it's not a perfect fit, but as you see, that's the battery there. You don't want that to get wet. That's the heart of the engine. That's the bloodline of the engine. That's the power, man. That's the energy. And so I'm gonna figure out a way to rig this, drill some holes, figure out a way to zip tie that, do some crafty work. Pay attention.
Open your heart.
All right, so we're getting some work done. We got these holes drilled. I need to drill another one so the top part, the screw-in part, you know, the slide part will come out this way and we can lock it in that way. These are all set. So again, we're getting there. We ain't professional, but it's all done. I've been noticing this screw when I did these, I rattled a little bit, so I gotta tighten that one a little bit. As you can see, my father did this one, but you know, a little, see now this coming loose, but you know, it's just the tricks of the trade. Takes a little bit of time to get everything done right, but hey, it's a process. Happy Sunday. We're here doing our thing, progressing, you know, like I said, continue to try. That's it, man. But hey, that's about it. God bless you. Out to do some favors for some friends, feed some cats while they're on vacation, do some extra work such as watching dogs, houses. That's what I do. Peace out.